Here's the speedster build. Pulled it apart, getting it ready for paint. I have 4 coats of high build primer on it, and I blocked it with 320 and 800. And you can see 800 scratches. It's real fine, so I don't think I'll have an issue with the metallic. Been watching a lot of videos and reading a lot about the spraying metallic, and the deeper the scratches, they tend to stand up in it or model and all that crap. So I don't think I'll need to do 1,000 grit. I think 800 should be fine. I ordered the chop top single stage metallic silver from Eastwood and some Euro clear that'll be here in a couple of days. And there's the bumpers, there's my gun, the ADT, ATD, HVLP. So I'll put 2 coats, medium coats of the single stage silver. Hopefully I don't have any tiger striping, any modeling, all that mess that you deal with metallics. I think it looks good. I don't see any eggshell and orange peel anywhere. I went over this whole thing, so I don't think that color difference is gonna matter. Hopefully it doesn't. Alright, windshield. There's my primer gun. I went ahead and primed the inside as well. I'm not going to take the doors off. I'm just going to spray that down with the silver and that, and do the best I can. It should be fine. If not, I'll scuff it down and order some base coat gray or whatever and clear that. So, alrighty. See ya. Happy Texas Independence Day.